The Adventure King's 174-piece Big Daddy Bush Mechanic Toolkit really does come with everything you need to tackle just about anything, whether you're at home in the shed or out on the tracks. First of all, it comes in a tough carry bag, which makes them super portable. You can leave your expensive tools organized and safe at home and take these with you everywhere. Just by looking at the included tools, you can see they're high quality. And once you have them in your hands, you'll see the details that make these tools so good. Take the screwdriver kit, for example. They're built with tough chrome vanadium steel for excellent long-term durability and toughness. But we've gone one step further. They all feature complete through-tang construction. That means they're strong all the way through. So strong, you can even smack them with a hammer or attach a socket to the end for more torque. Next, you've got your socket set, spanners, and Allen keys. Again, they're made of super strong chrome vanadium, and again, they're feature-packed. You've got sockets ranging from 8 through to 32 millimeters. Ideal for most Aussie and Japanese cars, utes and four-wheel drives. Plus, you've got long sockets ranging from 10 to 19 mil, as well as both 16 and 21 millimeter spark plug sockets. Then there's the tough 17-inch long breaker bar, half-inch extension drive, universal joint and precise, fine 72-tooth ratchet. Those fine teeth mean even in tight spots, you'll get enough movement to undo those stubborn nuts and bolts. Of course, there's a range of spanners from 8 to 24 millimeters, with the most commonly used sizes ranging from 8 millimeters to 19 millimeters, having a built-in reversible ratchet spanner mechanism. Again, they're fine-toothed for precise or hard-to-access areas, and they're super tough chrome vanadium. You even get a full range of metric Allen keys from 1.5 millimeters all the way to 10 millimeters in size. The Adventure King's 174-piece Big Daddy Bush Mechanic Toolkit doesn't stop there though. It also includes a pair of long nose pliers, combination pliers and side cutters, plus a pair of circlip pliers with 4 interchangeable jaws. Perfect for those technical fixes. There's even a box of electrical fuses and connectors, and a pair of combination wire strippers / crimpers to go with them. Last but certainly not least, there's a huge range of those tools that every single bush mechanic needs. A 16-ounce ball peen hammer, a 5-piece punch and chisel set, a half-round file, brass wire brush, plus a pair of locking pliers and a shifting spanner. Even a 17-inch pry bar and 12-inch hacksaw to really get you out of trouble. Finally, there are tough pouches to keep your spanners, screwdrivers and sockets together so you can easily find them when you need them. And of course, there's plenty of room left over in the carry bag to fit things like your cable ties, your fencing wire, WD-40 or your electrical tape to make sure you've really covered all your bases. But with the right tools on hand in the Adventure King's Big Daddy Bush Mechanic Toolkit, you shouldn't ever need to use those quick fixes.